Hey everybody, here is a final on my egg plane group build. I have the last 2 years being in this group build on there too. This is 2 years ago, and then that is last year. And the first year I don't think I had any of these kits, so I didn't do it. And then this is this year. So, this group build is hosted by Charlie Mack and Daniel, Munchkin Modeling Man. So thanks for hosting that. But for this year's egg plane, I did do the Corsair. It's got a pretty nice stance for these goofy shaped plane kits. It does work very well with it. This was an easy build. Didn't take too many days. I didn't really get creative with it like I did with the others. This one here, I had it on the aircraft carrier and the resin ended up eating itself apart, so I didn't do nothing this time. But there's no pilot in there, so it is just a resting shot. It is blue and yellow, so I picked a blue and yellow kit to kind of go with the supporting Ukraine kind of idea. So that one worked out pretty good for that. So that kind of commemorate that as well. The decals went out pretty good. Didn't have too much problems. You do have to soak them quite a while. And then I gave it a nice coat of clear after that. So I'm going to post some pictures as well. And then I'm going to send Daniel some pictures so he can put it in on this video of everybody's builds. So until next time, I hope you have a good one. And I'll see you then. Bye.